Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about transpose of a matrix. So let me write it down. Transpose of a matrix. So what is a transpose? So let us say I have a matrix, I don't know, like 3 cross 3 matrix, and let me just input any random set of data like 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, 9, 13, pi, and I don't know, 0.3. And this is my matrix A, and I want to calculate the transpose of A, or A transpose. This is what I want, and this is obviously a 3 cross 3 square matrix. So actually the idea is pretty simple. We take the first row, so let me do it with red. I take my first row, and then I make my first row as my first column in the A transpose matrix. So this is going to be 1, 2 and 3, and then I do the same thing for all the rows. So for the second row, I'm going to take it and I'm going to make it as my second column. So this is going to be 7, 5 and 9, and you get the idea. And I'm going to do the same thing for the third row as well. So this is going to be 13, pi and minus and 0.3. So this is the transpose of A, and you will see that this is also a 3 cross 3 matrix, but in general, if we have a m cross n matrix, the order of A transpose is going to be n cross m. And this makes sense because all we are doing is we are interchanging the rows and the columns, and m corresponds to the number of rows, and this means the number of columns. So by definition, we are just interchanging the rows and columns. This is not a rocket science here. So in this case, we have m as 3 and n also was 3. So A transpose was also a 3 cross 3 matrix. But if we have a 7 cross 5 matrix, and we call that as, let's say that this is a 7 cross 5 matrix, which is B, and then B transpose will be, the order of B transpose will be 5 cross 7. So you get the idea. We interchange the rows and the columns, and this is very useful for studying symmetric matrices and skew symmetric matrices and so on. So in the next presentation, I'm going to talk about the properties of a transpose, and then after that I'm going to discuss symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So thanks for watching this video.